Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to download Perplexity AI answers as PDF files. This is incredibly useful when you need to save research, keep records of AI-generated content, or simply want to read responses offline at your convenience. Let's jump right in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to perplexity.ai. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Simply enter your login information to access your account. This step ensures you have full access to all of Perplexity's features, including the ability to download your responses. After logging in, you'll see a text field positioned at the center of the page. This is where you'll type in your question. Go ahead and enter whatever query you need answered, then press enter on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can click the arrow or send button next to the text field. Either method will work perfectly to submit your question. Once you've done this, Perplexity AI will start processing your request and generating a detailed answer. This might take a few moments depending on the complexity of your question, so just give it a second to complete the response. Now that your answer has been generated and is displayed on the screen, scroll down to the bottom of the response. Here's where the download feature comes into play. Look for the download button located at the bottom of the answer. It's usually easy to spot and clearly labeled. Click on this download button and you'll see a menu appear with different format options. From this menu, select PDF. This is the format we want because PDFs are universally compatible, easy to share, and preserve the formatting of your answer exactly as it appears on the screen. The moment you select PDF, Perplexity will automatically begin downloading the file to your device. You don't need to do anything else at this point. The download will proceed on its own and save to your default downloads folder. Finally, to verify that everything worked correctly, look at the upper right corner of your browser window. You should see the PDF file you just downloaded appear there. Click on it to open and test the file. This quick check ensures that the download was successful and that you can access your saved answer whenever you need it. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded a Perplexity AI answer as a PDF. This simple process makes it easy to build a library of AI-generated insights and research that you can reference anytime. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.